for a visit. The dog now get on piano to It's a small gift from the community father. Happy birthday once again. In your dojo, Sisterhood Day. Sister Shanto from Manga, Domana South Area. Sister Lucina represents Om Santinga to the world. At the same time, our Diocese of Kohima observes 24 May 2026 as Sisterhood Day. Wishing all the three sisters, Superior Sister Magdalene, Sister Lucy, Sister Paulina, happy Sisterhood Day. Dear sisters, on this Sisterhood Day, I, on behalf of the St. Paul's community, once again would like to express our heartfelt gratitude and profoundly acknowledging for being a profound source of light, grace, and strength in our community. Your selfless dedication to serving others and your unwavering faith inspire all of us every single day. Happy Sisterhood. Now, I request the youth again to kindly assist our assistant Catholics to hand over a small gift prepared by our community to hand over to sister. Another sister Lucina, Sister Antuntua Enochivoda. Tribute the tree, yes. Mata Sisterhood Day sister. Also, immediate gift you had on behalf of Nana, the launch of sister on the marriage. Once over happy sisterhood. With that, our occasion comes in Najo with the assistant.